Hello, my name is Dr. Natasha Tipnis Shah and I am a consultant neurologist at HVS Hospitals. Now tell me, what would you think of as an age where your brain actually begins to age? Think about it. Okay, I'm sure some of you must have thought of the answer as 50. Still others would have thought of the answer as 65. But medically, your brain only grows till 25. And every day after the age of 25, your brain is not growing anymore, it is actually aging. And when you think of it, it's scary, right? But I'm sure there must be 35 or 40-year-olds who are watching this video. And think to yourself and ask yourself, have your reflexes not become weak as compared to before? Are you not taking longer to memorize than you were before? Doesn't processing new information, learning new tasks, or even learning a new musical instrument, or maybe learning new dance steps feel a little more difficult than it used to when you were in your 20s? And if you're true to yourself, the answer to all of this is going to be yes. Now, can we prevent aging? No. But can we age gracefully? Absolutely and completely yes. Look around you. There are so many people who are in their late 60s, early 70s and thriving in their professional lives, in their personal lives. And why is this so? This is because the key to good brain health in your 60s and 70s is doing the right things in your 30s and 40s. And what are the right things? Number 1, sleep 7 to 8 hours at night. Number 2, at least 3 times a week, you should be doing some moderate level exercise, which includes weight lifting, weight training, and cardio exercises. Number 3, eat the right food. Yes, if you eat food that is rich in micronutrients, proteins, omega-3 fatty acids, omega-9 fatty acids, this really works towards improving your brain health. And number 4, remember all of those things that I mentioned that seem a little more difficult? Well, stay at it and keep at it. Learning new skills, acquiring new skills, learning a new musical instrument, learning new dance steps, doing something that you have not been doing for the last 15 years of your life will really go a long way in establishing new brain connections and helping to keep your brain young. So remember, if you want to age gracefully, you have to begin today. Thank you.